Looks like we are bouncing long since last night. Overnight the low was right here, so we're up and down, meeting EMA 8. Looks like that would be our first target, which corresponds with upper line of the support and resistance zone right here. So at this moment that's about 7,500. So we are 71.65. So we have another 350 points to run. Alright, as you can see, we had over here bounce from the low line of the support zone. There was a big bounce once they came to this point. They just bounced big yesterday afternoon. So for now that's acting as a support. So we'll see what's from now on what's going to be. Hopefully that that bottom is holding. We don't go lower, but we should be getting some nice bounces, meeting at least bottom line of the band. There's a long way to go. Right now it's 82.28, so around 8,200. So by the time we come there, that's gonna move. So somewhere around 8,000, 8,200, which is another 800, 2,000 points on Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq over here. Around. So we'll see. Alright, before we continue, please read this disclosure disclaimer. Trade with the money you can only afford. Even if you lose it. It's very dangerous to trade any financial instruments. So please pause this video and read this risk disclosure. Okay, we almost another couple of minutes and we'll be in the US Open session, trading session. Okay, please read that, stop the video and read that. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, neither education company, this is just for a game. I'm not an educational institution. For me, it's just a game. For you, whatever you take it for. And you guys, if you're watching on YouTube, it's you're late, like 15-20 seconds. So any signal over here, by the time you see it, market's gonna be somewhere else. The way it's going. So we'll watch this point over here. Hopefully, this bottom holds. If we break this line, God help us all. Just my belief. But let's see what market is going to bring us. And as every day we have, we'll look at the ES. Okay. And then we are looking on also NQ. I have set up ES in a minute with double bands. So one band is set at linear regression 33.20 and bottom one is 33 minus 20. And this one whole TMA 39 minus 20, and upper one is whole TMA 30 with plus 20. We'll look over here for direction of the market, and if you make any trade, it's going to be here. And as you can see, whenever price goes beyond both of the bands, tends to bounce right here, right here, right there, right there, here and here and so on. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, market started. Looks like we are up. Plus we have 8 and 20 ATMA and 20 SMA. We'll wait for some pullback here. We'll see what they're gonna do before we make any trade. I believe we are like 31 days in a row in profit. So let's see what market is gonna show us here. Alright, this blue line, bottom blue line, is getting closer to upper yellow line, so means it's time for the pullback. But how far, we'll see. Okay, let's go and buy something here.
Order filled.
Just send
Order submitted.
try to make few ticks if you can. We'll lower it over here. If this bar closes lower, we'll buy again. So we'll see where this bar is going to close. Looks for now it's going down. Okay, I'll get ready to buy another one because it's as it touches this yellow line, it's a great place to buy if it does.
Order
Buy
filled.
another one, okay. We'll go under this bar for the profit. We have 3 contracts.
Order submitted.
Let's just sell them all 3. As you can see, for now that's resistance. So we could buy more. Let's do
Order.
that.
Order filled.
And we'll just
Order submitted. Order
put
submitted.
our target right there. And we'll be patient now. Let's in the meantime take a look at what's gold doing. 1476. Let's take a look at CL. CL was overbought for a little bit over here. There was even better buy when I'm looking over here. We're on both. Oversold. We're below both bands. It's a great place to buy more. Let's do that.
Order. Order filled.
Okay. Lower our targets a little bit. And for now,
Order submitted. Order
we'll
submitted.
just leave it here. And there we go. We'll just make more money. Okay, CL, it's coming back in its zone, it's not time to buy it. Let's go back to gold. Gold is big time moving down too. What are they doing on daily? Okay. We are big time oversold, so watch for some pullback. Wouldn't be surprised if we run long today. Checked on CNBC, there was nothing big news that they were talking. Just a regular stuff. Let's take a look what's up. 283 down, $2.83. Tesla is up, $7.90 to $8. Facebook, it's down just $1.59. Silver 1120. So we'll see. If this signal fails, that's a big run up there. We're having nice little pullback. If they're gonna run more down, this bar needs to close under. But if this bar fails, close green, we're gonna be running up there. So let's see, let's be patient and see. It's just a better area to buy. If you're well funded, perfect places to buy. Make few trades in the morning and that's it. So we'll see, be patient. know, this is can't resist. This is just perfect
Order.
place to
Order
buy.
filled. Order filled.
Just oversold big time. We'll move our targets a little bit down. Put another 3.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So for this kind of trading, you have to be funded well, good funding, but your rewards are big. You could have come out here. I just waited them for pullback more. I know we are oversold big time. There's gonna be a big snap up there, unless something is such a bad news that it's just gonna continue down. Let's just buy a few more.
Order filled.
Let's buy 3 more.
Order filled.
We are not chasing market over here, it's just in the oversold area big time. So we are using our opportunities to buy it.
Order filled.
And
Order filled.
as you can see, this is such a huge move. I don't see any bad news, so as they're going down, they'll be bouncing the same way. I'm gonna open this track a little bit more. And as you can see, a big bounce down. That's what I'm waiting for. Bounce, bounce back. Nice bounce up. That was a run. Came back. Also here, and you can see here and here. So every time it does, right there, right there. And take a look here. So I know it should be good. And here's a going up there. Plus we were in the profit here. could have just come out, close it, but this is fine. If you're well funded, you just make more money this way. So you're waiting for these opportunities. As soon as they start coming from out of both bands, usually there is a snapback right here. Okay, we are going up. Nasdaq is running long, so is ES. Call this. Just staying a little bit. CL has a big oversell. Just good buy.
Order filled.
We'll just go for a few ticks.
Order submitted.
Oh, while I'm doing this, we were just broke even. So let them run now, let them get our profits. Let's see what's happening with CL. Just staying there. Okay. We are here in profits. Just it's touching EMA8, pulling back.
Order submitted.
Alright, we'll keep it for now here. Alright, I haven't there's a rollover for CL. I've just seen it. That's why I changed over here. So we'll hear over there when it goes on 420. And the rollover is now 620. So we'll buy over here
Order
too.
filled.
On this contract.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, this first good trade. We had a good trade over here, but didn't come out of the market, so can do that too as soon as it gets in. I just know this is gonna be a good snapback, so I don't mind to wait a little bit. We're only 20 minutes in the trading session. And as you can see, it's hitting EMA 8 and just bouncing back, so once that breaks, we should be okay. Let's see our...
Order filled.
Alright, there's the first one. And let's see our 4.
Order filled.
Alright. I don't know why is that showing. There was only one contract. But
Order filled.
okay, so there was something on seal over there. I don't know what
Order
it was.
filled.
Some calculations went wrong there. Like we were 2,000 down, but we were in profit, so don't know what that happened. But here on ES we are hitting our targets. Will help with this one. We can even move our target longer and wait, or put the stop over here, come out. Let's see if they can hit our target. Or just close it.
Order filled.
Alright. There's our result in 22 minutes. So these bands are just great. We actually start buying, if I believe, we start buying some over here. But real buying we start over here in these areas. So if you have 2-minute chart, you can just go every time buyer closes, buy and lower your price, your average price. And then you're well funded, just wait. They'll come back. Well, so far they did every time. As you can see, every time so far they go below or under. Even right here, there's a nice pullback to 220. Right here, you can at least go look for 8, EMA 8, and that's where your profits can be. Right there. So there's no selling here. We're not above bought. Right here, and there's your profit. So your first buy would be here, next one here, and target would be at least EMA 8. Not long in this case went all the way up above both, and then there's a sale. Alright, so check it out. We have nice profit, almost 11,000 points. We'll look for another trade. So if market goes above this red one, it's gonna be a long, shooting for this area here. Okay, let's go buy some Nasdaq.
Order filled.
just go by there. We'll set up our profit target here
Order
somewhere.
submitted.
Once the ES hits over here, if we are in profit, we'll just, unless we hit our target, we'll just close manually. And we'll just trade the NQ by ES movements. Alright, we'll be ready here. Let's see if we can reach that blue, upper blue line. If you don't like what's not, we'll just close it, market.
Order
Alright, there
filled.
we go. And that was just one contract. Alright, so we have 11,110 points. And that was our target. We hit it. So we'll see where the market is going to go. It may just go all the way up. But we are still in the downtrend. This could turn around now. 8 is under 20. Let's, when we're talking that, let's just
Order
make some
filled.
little short sale.
Order submitted.
If it goes against us, we'll just wait and start selling here. So roll. Nasdaq is going high, sky high. I will just, if they go against us, we'll wait, and we'll just walk our price and target with EMA 8. And I know we're gonna hit it. So far our target is good. It's above EMA 8. So as I said, they may go all the way here. And I was expecting this, as I was saying earlier, expecting this nice big move up. I was too big oversell. And daily, they're still in negative. Okay, our target now it's below EMA 8, so we'll just move it a little bit up. Next move will be sell again if it continues up. If it hits our target, would be great. And here's EMA 8 and 20, they're meeting together. Market is trying to say we're gonna go long, so this could be just a pullback. These days, these conditions, so these markets are, this way, so that's why I'm trading on the minute chart. If markets were slower, we would go to Unirenko, and we would have a Baines pullback zone. We would just wait for market to show us the way. Once they pull back, we would buy on the, if they're going long, we would buy on the lower line of the band. If they're going short, we would sell on the upper band. So when that time comes, we'll do again. But for now, we have to go with time. just the moves are so huge. Alright, as you can see, market's trying to go long, came to our price in a tick or two and then turn around. Let's go sell again.
Order.
Couple
Order filled.
will be above EMA 8, maybe we went too much, but that's fine, we're making good profit here. You can close market or
Order
wait there
filled.
is, and then we'll close the
Order
rest.
filled.
So there's another 1100 points. Just got to be well funded. You can do same on the stocks or anything. And this is only 30 minutes of trading, and we were not that aggressive. Recognize conditions of the markets and then use right chart. And go by that. Now markets are saying we are long. This is pullback. So if they come and hit 20, we'll buy. That'll be a nice pullback zone. I know we are above blue line, but we are still not above yellow one. So that will be good target. Let's see if they touch it, their red one, we'll just buy one contract. We never want to go with everything at once. We can always add if it goes our way. If it goes against us, we can buy and lower our price and our targets and still be in profit. Alright, just touched the EMA 8, nothing more. Still down for a day. I think we can go long over here with one.
Order filled.
And I think we can go with target here.
Order submitted.
So far so good, and that's only one contract. So if they break this red one, that's going to be nice run, should be nice run, especially this green. Alright, we're almost there. Go baby, go. You can move your target if you think it's going to go up and put a stop over here, come out with market. We'll just close, we're okay, 1300 points. Because it's thinking, we're still nicely in profit. We're almost 14,000 points here. Watch out if this signal breaks. We may go a little bit lower, but for now markets are saying long. We still didn't touch this line. We have another 10 seconds for this bar, so we'll see what's going to be there. Alright, we could reach here. Okay, we can make a risky trade. We have a lot of points there. We can make a risky trade over here.
Order submitted.
I'm just putting my targets on the market if touched. So if you lose this trade, it's still okay. Because we made a lot of points. And I don't like to lose, I don't want to lose in trades. That's not okay, but how much we made in 30 minutes. I think we should have more that CL April, that was mess up something over there. Alright, so far so good.
Order
There's,
filled.
we need another 415 points. And this one here, CL. It's overbought big time, so let's make one sell
Order
here.
filled.
Let's
Order submitted.
it'll just be over EMA 8. Okay, we're in overbought territory. Let them run a little bit longer if they want to go. Let's see what this bar is going to do. While this trade is going on CL, let's take a look on GC. That's a big run too. Let's make a one sale too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Just make a few ticks.
Order filled.
Alright, there is a CL. We got it. And as you can see, they're pulling back. They should be pulled back to these lines. That's another
Order
good one.
filled.
So let's go back to CL. We hit our target. Alright, they're positive for a day on a daily chart. NQ is a little bit green. Hopefully we're gonna have a bounces from here. And hopefully we have such a nice bounce to meet lower line of the band, daily band. Let's make one sale.
Order filled.
We have a target here.
Order submitted.
Big push long. Let's take a look what CNBC is saying. Nasdaq is 120 up. Ray Dalio estimates damage of coronavirus will top 4 trillion. We'll see. Possible evidence being closed. Or half capacity working. And you can see the market touched the upper line of the band and made a pullback. So let's move our target there. There's a great signal for long. If that fails, it would be nice pullback, but it looks like they just want to go long, long, long. Let's make a sale.
Order filled.
And another one.
Order filled.
And because markets are so strong, we'll just look to come out with a profit. We're not gonna look for a nice pullback. See 20 minutes ago, half hour ago where they went, and look at them now. They're gonna have a nice pullback somewhere. Let's use this in our favor.
Order filled.
And wow, such a huge move. Well, just look to get out with profit. Alright.
Order submitted.
That's all we can do now. some good news out there. We use that still.
Order filled.
And we'll just get out all of them.
Order submitted.
We could also hedge at Nasdaq and exit somewhere when it's far away and wait for ES to come back and still make a profit both ways. Which is too late now, we could have done here. The market start pushing. I'll just wait for some pullback over here. And I think that would be it for this morning. I just finished with this trade. You can also do this on micros. I just set up ES, mini ES, but you can do with micros too. So you don't need that much capital. I know they raised the margins, I didn't know exactly how much, but if it was regular margin, this would be what, 1050 plus losses. But look at your result, look at your rewards. 19,232.50 points. So we'll make one more trade to be 20,000 points, and this is only in 47 minutes. So this kind of trading, if you don't have that much funding, you can go with micros. And when you see results, you see every trade. We should be meeting EMA 8, let's sail.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see if we can pull something here.
Order filled.
All right. There's another few hundred points. That was a quick trade. And as you can see, we're in overbought territory. That's why there's a pullback. Which they can just pull back to here and start going along and bring the bands with them and meet somewhere up there. So gotta be careful with this kind of trading. So let's just go
Order filled.
Nasdaq long.
Order submitted.
These are 10 tick bars, and look at the way Nasdaq is moving. I mean, 20-30 ticks jumping. I'll just put a stop over here. On the daily chart, you can see nice green. We can finally see on the daily chart, nice green over here on Nasdaq. Okay, there's a signal down. So we're not going to panic on Nasdaq. We'll just buy another one.
Order filled.
We'll bring our target down.
Order submitted.
We'll look to get out of this trade. We'll just go to the top over here. Right, almost, but not good enough. That's why I never get with all the money at once.
Order
Alright,
filled.
start adding if it goes your way or if it goes against. Just lower your target, your average price buy plus lower your targets, get out positive. We just need a little bit more, one nice trade to 20,000 points. We'll just buy Nasdaq
Order
again,
filled.
and you'll see those jumps.
Order submitted.
If we get in profit, we'll just when if ES hits over here and we are in profit, we'll get out on the market. We'll just close it. So like that wasn't the best place to buy, to go long. You're still in we were about both the bands, I mean at least one yellow one, so better wait for pullback to raid and then buy. That's SMA 20. This is EMA 8. For now it's acting as a support. You can see that. Price is just sitting there. So we'll just be a little bit patient. If it goes against us, we'll wait when they come here. Or if it comes ES to top over here and we don't hit our target yet, but we are in profit, we'll just get out. Market. We need to break this high. As you can see, CL huge overbought, but I don't want to do something is going on there. Just don't want to sell it here yet. Alright, for now we're long, broke even this high. Last couple of bars, EMA 8 is holding as a
Order filled.
support for now. We hit our target. We still need 260 points. So let's see where we can get them. Let's try to buy
Order
ES.
filled. Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get that there. If it's gonna reach us. I'll just close over here.
Order filled.
It's like resisting to go up, so don't like to buy in long in this area, rather buy here, even if it goes against me. These are great signals when you have a green and then just shows up one red bar, then green. Don't have to be 2, 3, just one. And then one and go long. Here's a second signal. There's a third signal, but wouldn't go. Would rather sell over here. Alright, we need 110 points. Alright, NASDAQ is flying high. Let's see if we can get some pullback. We're almost an hour. I think we should be pulling back all the way in this area, at least, so we can continue long. There's again EMA 8, bounce. try to buy Nasdaq.
Order
for-
filled. Order submitted.
If we can get this move.
Order filled.
All right, we got it. 1 hour and 1 minute. We got 20,015 points. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great trading. Have a nice day. Talk to you.